My pranams to all Atmajyotis, divine light of the self. Dear children, I welcome you all for today's story session. Today I am going to tell you a story from Jataka Tales. Before commencing the story, let us offer our prayers to Sadguru. Om Guru Brahma Guru Vishnu Guru Devo Maheshwaraha Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Now let us start the story. Once upon a time, there was a forest, and in that forest, there was a river. Near the river, there was a big mango tree. There were many delicious, fruity, juicy mangoes in the tree. And near the mango tree, there lived a group of monkeys. These monkeys had a king too. The monkey king was very noble, very good administrator. He was very kind-hearted and he cared for his subjects very much. And one day, the monkey king called all his subjects and told them, "Look, you should be very cautious. You should not allow a single mango to fall into the river." Then a little monkey asked, "Why, master? What happens if the mango falls into the river?" Then the king said, "Well, see, if a mango falls into the river, it floats on the river and it reaches the other side of the river. And the people on the other side of the river, they may find the mango, they may eat the mango, and this mango is very delicious, and they may be attracted towards this mango. They may like to have more mangoes. Then they may come here and they may destroy us for getting these mangoes, isn't it? So you should be very careful." Then all the subjects agreed. "Yes, master, we will be very careful," they said. The time went on. The monkeys were very happy eating the delicious mangoes. They were very careful and they never used to allow any mango to fall into the river. But one day, somehow, a ripened mango fell into the river and it floated and reached the other bank of the river. There, the washerman of the king of the country was washing the clothes. He saw this ripened mango. He took the mango. It was very big mango with golden color and nice aroma was coming from the mango. Then the washerman thought, "Oh, this is a very nice mango. I should give this mango to the king as a gift." Then he took the mango and told the king, "Your Majesty, I was washing the clothes near the river and I saw this mango floating on the river. Then I took it and I found that it is very nice. So I thought I would give you this." Then he offered it to the king. The king was very pleased and he ate the mango. To his astonishment, he saw that he never tasted such a nice mango in his life. Then immediately he ordered some of his soldiers to come along with him to search the mango tree and to have many more mangoes. So they all started in a boat and went on searching the mango tree. And after going for some distance, they found that a big mango tree was standing on the other side of the bank. They were very happy. By this time, some of the monkeys they saw these people coming towards them. They were very much frightened. They ran to the monkey king and said, "Oh, oh king, oh king." Then the monkey king asked, Why? Why are you frightened? What happened? Is there anything serious?" Then these monkeys said, Yes, yes, master. Some people are coming this way and we think they are coming for the mangoes. What you said is coming true. They will destroy us. Then the monkey king said, Okay, it's okay now. Now, you all move to the other side of the river by swinging onto the vane. Huh? Hurry up. Don't waste time. I will be standing here watching you all. Then, after you all go to the other side of the river and settle there safely, then I will also come there and join you. Okay? Now come on. Start, hurry up. Then the monkeys swinged on the vane and reached the other side of the river one by one. Now the monkey king saw that all of them reached the other side safely. He also started swinging on the vane. But by this time, the vane was very delicate and it broke into pieces. The monkey king fell into the river. All his subjects who were waiting for the king saw this scene and they were very frightened. They all cried, "Oh king, oh king!" They cried. Now the king who was coming in search of the mangoes saw all these events. He was very happy with the behavior of the monkey king. Now he ordered his soldiers to safeguard the monkey king. Now the soldiers took the monkey king from the river and they put him in the boat. Now the human king said, "Oh monkey king, I am very happy with your behavior. You are so kind to your subjects. You are a very good administrator. I like you very much. Please come to my palace. You are very much tired. Stay with me in my palace for some days." Now the monkey king said, "Your Majesty, you are very kind. Thank you for your invitation. But I am the king of these monkeys, you know. I cannot come with you and stay with you without these monkeys. I should always stay with them." Now the king was still pleased. He said, "Very good, very good. That should be the motto of the king. Very nice. Okay, monkey king. See, I had come here in search of sweet mangoes, but now I know that this is your kingdom and I should not take those mangoes. So I will never touch these mangoes. I will go back. You please live here happily." Now the monkey king also said, "Oh, your Majesty, you are so kind, so kind. And thank you for your behavior. And I will not let you go, let my friend or guest to go with bare hands. I will offer you some mangoes. Please take those mangoes while going. And I assure you that Every year I will send you some mangoes, some sweet mangoes to you as a mark of our friendship. Now the human king was also pleased and he took some mangoes and he left. And these monkeys stayed in the same forest, eating the mangoes happily. This is the story, children. Did you like the story? What moral did you learn from this? We should be always kind hearted. We should serve the people around us with compassion and love. If we do so, we will be honored, isn't it? Okay, now let's close the session with a prayer. Asato ma satgamaya tamaso ma jyotirgamaya mrityorma amritangamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shantihi. Lokaah samastaah sukhino bhavantu. Lokaah samastaah sukhino bhavantu. Lokaah samastaah sukhino bhavantu. Harihi Om Tat Sat. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha.